Hey everybody, welcome back. So today we are going to talk about our empties for December. There's a couple of things that got popped in here at the beginning of the month in January, but that's okay. So the first thing I want to talk about is this Green Clean from Pharmacy Cosmetics. It came in, it must have come in a BoxyCharm or something like that. This is not my first experience with Pharmacy. This is, I have several other products. I have the Night Balm or the Sleep Tight Night Balm. I have the Day Moisturizer. I have several other products and I enjoy them. This actually is a makeup melt away cleanser and I loved it. So yeah, I'm all out of the melt away stuff. I don't have any in my Clinique or anything else, so I will purchase that. I also finally used up my Paracomb MD. All gone. I use this every day to put moisturizer on my face. However, and it was wonderful, but I have so much face stuff for moisturizers that I'm going to try to use some things up before I buy anything else. And what else do we got going on here except a mess on my desk because I'm getting foundation everywhere. So the other thing I have a couple of in here is the Purity from Philosophy. I have this in my travel, in my shower, on my bathroom sink. I have it everywhere, and I love this cleanser. It's not hard on my skin because I do have very sensitive skin. So I have a lot of these samples, and I will continue to use them, and when I run out of samples, I will actually buy a full size. So let's see what else we used up for our face. So I also had this Luminous Deep Hydration Firming Eye Serum from Tatcha. It came in a like a gift pack from Tatcha that I got, and it was okay. I didn't, for the price point, I didn't see a whole lot of difference, so we won't be repurchasing. Sorry. The other thing I wanted to talk about is the I don't know how to say it. It's the Rose Hair and Body Oil. This stuff is fabulous. I will be purchasing a big bottle of this. I use it on my face, on my skin. I use it all over the place. So, speaking of my face and my skin, I'm having issues right now. Please excuse me. This is the Aveeno Baby Soothing Relief Moisturizer. My dermatologist recommended this to me. It's almost empty. It's not empty yet, but I use it all the time. And right now, my skin is pretty dry. It's that time of the year. My arms are driving me crazy. I'm sorry. Sorry, didn't mean to distract from the video. Another hair product that I use is a conditioning mask. This one's from Diva Curl. These conditioning masks are fabulous for my hair. I don't wash my hair every day. I don't need to. My hair's pretty dry. But when I do wash my hair, I always put one of these on. And love it. Love it. Let's see. I have two foundations. I didn't necessarily use up, but they were creating some skin issues. So this Ready Set Gorgeous from CoverGirl, I never really liked this. I was trying to use it up, but I never fell in love with it. This is the Fresh Complexion Oil-Free Foundation number 205. It just wasn't for me. The other foundation I didn't quite use up, but it just got old on me. Excuse me, was my Lasting Finish 25-Hour Foundation from Rimmel. This is fabulous. It's actually one of my favorites. And I will repurchase this. I am in shade 203 True Beige. But like I said, it just made me break out. So I stopped using it. So I did have one thing from, this is actually from my husband's Birchbox for men. It's called the Soft Rock Texturizing Clay. I was trying to use it for my hair, but the problem with it is it doesn't, like other clays, it doesn't really melt up, so you end up having chunks of it in your hair. Ew. Crappy. I had a sample size of the Urban Decay Quick Fix. This is the Prep Priming Spray. I used it because I had a sample. Not a fan. So this is my sample of the Smashbox Primerizer. I do have a full bottle of this, and I'm going to give it another, try it some more, should I say. When I first tried this, I didn't like it. I've had this for quite some time. But lately I've been using it, like the past week I was using it, or 2 weeks ago. And I think that it does make my foundation sit better. Maybe it's because of the time of the year. Could very well be. Let's move on to concealers. So I finally used up my old Born This Way concealer. Thank goodness, because you can see Oko ate the lid. Great little doggy she is. And the last couple products I have are eye products. So the first thing is my Lorac primer. I use it because it came when I bought my Lorac palettes, but it's not for me. The other thing I have was the Brow Gal Instant Brow Gel. It's okay. I used it because I used it up. The other thing I have is a Too Faced sample size of the Better Than Sex that I've completely used up. And then lastly is a ColourPop Brow Boss pencil. I like these pencils, however I would buy a deeper shade the next time I bought them. This is light brown. I would probably buy a dark brown pencil. Yay! So that is all my... Oh, wait a minute. I had one other empty in there. I know I did. I had an empty a Dolce from Dolce & Gabbana perfume sample. That was the only thing. It was okay. I just use up perfume. Sorry, guys. I dropped something. I just use up my perfume, my little perfume samples I get, unless I fall in love with the perfume. I never get a full size of it. So, alright. I'm looking around to see if I have any other empties on my desk that I didn't make it to my empties box. But I don't think so. Everything else is kind of a giveaway. I'm passing it on to a friend. And actually, you know what? Yeah, I've got two things I'm passing on, but I've mentioned that in previous videos. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching my empties for December. And hopefully we'll have a lot more empties because I am on a very low buy for the year. Very low buy. Because I've got way too much stuff. Way too much stuff. Okay. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next month when we talk about our January empties. Love you guys so much. Mwah!